Well, I was born to call Mama's daughter in a cabin on a hill in Butcher Holler. We were poor, but we had love. And that's the one thing Daddy made sure of. He shoveled coal to make a poor man's dollar. My daddy worked all night in the very cold mine. All day long in the field hoeing corn. Mommy rocked the baby that night and read the Bible by the coal. And everything would start all over come the break at morn. Daddy loved and raised 8 kids on the miner's pay. Mommy scrubbed our clothes on a washboard every day. Well, I've seen her fingerly to complain there was no need. She'd smile in Mommy's understanding way. In the summertime we didn't have shoes to wear, but in the winter time we'd all get a brand new pair. From a mallard catalog, money made from selling a home. Daddy always managed to get the money somewhere. Yeah, I'm proud to be a coal miner's daughter. I remember well the well where I drew water. The work we done was hard. At night we'd sleep 'cause we were tired. I never thought of ever leaving Butcher Holler. Well, a lot of things have changed since way back then. And it's so good to be back home again. Not much left but the floor. Nothing lives here anymore except the memories of a coal miner's daughter.